Hi, it's Lana, Erin and Bonnie from Three Birds Renovations.
Hello.
And we have been using in-trim products, the skirting and architraves, the timber mouldings in our houses for so long, in so many different ways and places and uses. Let's have a little chat about some of our favourite uses of the in-trim product, because there are a lot to choose from.
There's so many. It's not just skirting and architraves. The range is so much broader than that.
And I think you can actually have the most fun with the timber wall mouldings.
That's what you love doing.
Agree.
Yeah, I love timber wall
Yeah,
mouldings.
they're the best.
They're so versatile. You can create so many different looks with them. And we have.
Oh yeah, well my favourite, I would have to say, you guys know House 11.
Yeah.
We used the timber wall mouldings in a couple of spaces there, particularly the master bedroom. Loved that. Just turned a blank wall into it was basically a square pattern, wasn't it?
It was so decorative. It was everything in that room, because that room was very white with some pops of blue, but the wall changed due to that timber moulding going on in that pattern.
Yeah.
I remember watching it get installed and it came together like a jigsaw puzzle.
Yeah.
It just gives a room detail, and it gives a room that little bit of spunk that it needs.
Yeah.
And it did exactly that in that space. I think we did pretty much the same thing.
Downstairs?
Yeah.
Yep, in the main lounge room.
Yeah.
Yep. So as you walk straight into the house, off to your left, it was the far wall, and it really gave it something to pop at you.
And that was like a very classic
Very Hamptons. Almost a formal Hamptons. Yeah.
You know, but I think there's ways that you can use mouldings, for instance, at House 13, where, you know, that beautiful curved day bed.
Yes.
And having that, is
And
it
the bar.
convex or
concave?
Concave, yeah, because the opposite,
Yes.
right? So that concave
Just the
moulding to create that look, I mean, that's just so beautifully modern.
Yeah.
But detailed as well, you know?
I just feel as though so many people will renovate
Yeah.
or spruce up a space and just not think about what they could achieve through the timber moulding detailing on walls. I mean, even like what we did in the little boys' room in House 11, where we used it on the diagonal and then painted it a feature colour to make it stand out.
Yeah, I love that room.
Yeah,
That's
it's
still
fun.
one of my favourite rooms. It's so cute and fun, and it's so simple because it's just two painted walls in a really vibrant colour with just that detailing on the angle. And it transformed that room. Room could be nothing.
It gave a small room a bit of excitement and spunk because it was quite a small space.
And you know, the chair rail that we put in the study of House 13.
Yeah.
I mean, I remember when I saw it in the flash, I just fell in love with it before it was even painted.
Yeah, and then to add that paint colour to it.
The green, the sage
Two
green.
colours. Two-tone.
It just, it completely made that study different. Like, yes, we put in nice furniture and everything, but it's what we did to the wall that I think made that room so spectacular.
Yeah.
And the bar area.
Oh,
again.
yeah. Well, that was with the convex,
Yes.
which is the opposite of the pool house. That just looked so special.
It did.
Well, skirtings and architraves. Obviously, we've made so many choices in all of our homes, and I think it would be fair to say that we err on the side of tall and decorative.
Yeah, we do.
That's usually a pretty safe option for it to look a bit fancy.
Yes.
Add some detailing, add some character.
Yes.
And we've always used something slightly different. We've never repeated the same profile in a house. We've always done something
Have we
slightly
really?
different. Yep.
Well, there's just so many to choose from.
Yeah, why
there are
wouldn't you?
so many to choose from. Yeah.
And I think when it comes to the architrave, which is around the window, we just say to in-trim, so which one goes with that one? And we just match it.
We do.
That's what's simple.
Yeah, match it and usually get it the biggest that we can without it not completely overpowering a room if it's too big.
Yeah, so we like our skirting boards tall and our architraves wide, but
Yeah.
they need to work well together. So they were some of our favourite uses of in-trim product in our Three Birds projects, but if you want some more inspiration, head to the in-trim website.